Hello and welcome back to Easy How-To Videos. Today we'll show you how to navigate the Chrome interface like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or just want to learn some handy tips, we've got you covered. So let's dive into it. The Chrome interface is user-friendly and intuitive. Let's start with the basic. At the top, you'll see the address bar, also known as the Omnibox. You can use it to enter web address or search terms. Just type in your search query and hit enter. Above the address bar, you'll find tabs. Each tab represents a separate web page you have opened. To open a new tab, click the plus icon on the right, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-T or Command-T on Mac. On the left side of the address bar, you have the navigation button. You can go back or forward in your browsing history using this button. To refresh a page, click the circular arrow, or use the keyboard shortcut F5. On the top right corner, you'll see a menu button represented by 3 vertical dots. Clicking this button opens a menu with various options, including settings, bookmarks, and more. Just below the address bar, you can create a bookmark bar for your favorite website. To add a page to your bookmark, click the star icon on the right of the address bar. Chrome supports extensions that add functionality to your browser. You can access your extension by clicking on the puzzle piece icon to the right of the menu button. To access Chrome settings, click on the menu button, then go to Settings. Here you can customize Chrome to your liking, for changing the appearance to managing your privacy and security settings. If you want to browse privately without saving your browsing history, use Incognito mode. You can open a new incognito windows by clicking on the menu button and selecting New Incognito Windows, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-N or Command-Shift-N on Mac. There you have it. Navigating the Chrome interface is a breeze. Whether you're searching the web, managing bookmark, or customizing your setting, Chrome makes it easy. Thanks for tuning in the Easy How-To videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Easy How-To videos. If you have any question or topic you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Until next time and happy browsing!